Sorry, my kids walked in at that last moment. So, as I was saying, as you end cat cow, your palms are in prayer and you go into child's pose. So, your forehead touches the ground. Again, you're stimulating the pineal gland. And the important point I really wanted to emphasize was the speed and the pace. It's really important that you go at your own pace. I tend to be quick at almost everything that I do, and that pace for me really works. But it's not the same for everybody, and it's definitely not the same for brand new Kundalini practitioners. So really, just start slow and simple, and it has nothing to do with your speed. It has everything to do with your prana. So breathe deep.